Chuki Beats.
Good morning, it's Patriot Magnets here in a new location, back on the Rochdale canal. Not tried this little stretch here, but I have been a bit further up. So this is all new to me. I'm going to hit this bridge and then see what treats we can get. Hopefully, we're going to get something good. Right, I'll start going through with what I bring with me. If anybody's interested. Spare duct tape, gloves. Mark got me these ones, spot on mate. Rubber gloves underneath, scraper. Now I use this in case I need to wash stuff, say like you find any bracelets, jewels or whatever, throw it in there, give it a scoop, wash it all the way through. Secret taut. Fines bucket with the holes in. So by the time I get home it's all dried. And here we've got a crap bucket. Everything in there that's crap, waste that we find, papers, bags, anything goes in there. Grapple hook, and I've got the 500 with me today, that's all. And I've got my cart and my bin that I put one of these bungee cords round. Master lock, £2.50 odd from Home Base, bargain. Looks like someone's been here already, but it's not going to stop me, so let's just crack on and see what we can get. Not going to start directly under the bridge. I'm going to move to the side a bit and see what we can get, see what treats we can have. Yeah. Anyway, let's get treating ourselves, eh? I'm hoping to find something good today. I just nailed a night shift and I'm tired. So, let's see how it goes, eh? Squash bottle cap, another bottle cap, same again, keep trying, and I'll just keep moving down. This £500 magnet, I'll put up on the screen now a link, 15% off if you quote my code Patriot15. It's a cracking magnet. It's one that I mainly go to. Right, another bottle cap. It's a heavy magnet as well, but not heavy to throw, I mean heavy to drop in the water, so it stays on the bottom longer. And a 500 kg, magnet. I think I said pound before, but yeah, it's 500 kg one. Worth the money. Magnetstore.co.uk. Treat yourself, or treat somebody else. Hey, chaff canister number 1. Right, snagging on something here. Might be another Aladdin's rug. I'm gonna get my house done. Right, yeah. I don't know, that was a sack. What we got? Oh, a little battery. And the crap it goes. Right, as soon as a sack come up, let's get the grapple hook on and see what it was. It's very light, this grapple hook. Let's have a look what this is. It's got stuff in it. And it's in a... Let me get this camera up a bit. Oh, it's definitely got stuff in it, this. Yeah. Right, so what I'm going to do is... Here we go. These are falling out. So what are these? A mirror? Right, so there's stuff falling out of it. So, this looks like some stolen goods. So what I'm going to do is, where's my bucket? Let's get over here. Let's have a look. What we'll do is we'll put everything in the red bucket. Right, it seems it's open here. Look at this. There we go. We have a cat badge. Set of keys, looks like it's for a little padlock box. You got some, I don't know, it's like earrings and a key. Same again, we'll put that in there so all the water can get off it. There we go, look at all this now. And God knows what this is, some sort of bag. And pop it in there. We have a €1. I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, look at all this stuff, guys. Oh my God. See what we've got in here. There we go, look at all this. Oh God, that stinks. Right, we've got jewellery. Got a bangle. Another bangle. Some jewellery. A bracelet. Necklace. Some more necklaces. Fancy pen. What's this? That's a SIM card. Yep. My God, wonder what's on that. USB pen. Some earrings. Let's celebrate. That's a stylus pen. Oh my God, what's this? A little necklace. Look at that. Beautiful. A little love heart. And all this was in this box. Glass lid. Got a number on there. Let's see what else is in here. Oh my God, guys, look at all that. Jesus Christ. Watch. And all this. Right, I'm going to separate it all when I get home, because there's a lot in there. Another watch. My God. Right, so that's going in. That's going in the tub. Oh, that's going in, back in there, and that's coming home with us. You alright? There we go. Excellent find, guys. And get that baby cleaned up. Always worth having a bucket. Yeah, it's like we're bringing a carpet up. Let's have a look at this first. Yeah, look at that. Bit of a carpet and a rug. What is it, Aladdin? Put that crap in there. See what we got on the bottom here. Oh, mini screwdriver. Either my hands have grown or that's a small screwdriver. Let's keep her though. Oh yeah, a little fishing lure. And go to the collection if it stops messing around. There you go, you can't really see it, but you will on the clean up. So hey, we've got Aladdin's rug again. There we are. There we are. Magic carpet. Number 2. Just a penny. And if you haven't seen my latest one, where I pull out that shotgun mechanism, top corner, and we'll get a link to it, because that is one of my best finds. I think one of my best haul is just what we've found now. You know, but God knows how long that's been down there for. Another penny. Get this up as well. Let's go in the crap bin. Part of a ring binder and a bottle cap and part of a lighter. Weird, isn't it? Part of the lighter again. Another ring binder, it's deja vu. A penny. Something heavy on here, unless it's just full of crud. Loads of bubbles, guys. What do you reckon? Are we having it? Are we having something good here? Another Aladdin's rug. Tell you what we're having. Having a pitchfork, aren't we? Look at that. Bit of rubbish. And a penny. We're having that. Oh God. Let go of it, you git. Oh my God. 500 magnets, not having it. Wants to keep it. Oh, and a penny. That can go in the bucket. Oh man. We know the dance, don't we? It's not our first barbecue, this. Okay, what we got here? Bit of a selection. Start off with this. Any ideas, guys? Just in the shadow, so there we go. I'll take it anyway. Rubbish bag. Bit of a fence pole. Go in the bucket and take that home. Get rid of it. Ooh. I also got chaff canister. A key. There we go. Cool. And another part of a lighter. Let's see what we've got. I've not got a clue what that is. Probably something to do with fishing. We'll take it though. You alright? Hmm? I know. How are you? You alright? See that nice little badge?
That's alright, that.
Yeah, be alright that. We'll have that. Bit of a bottle cap.
Yeah. You'd be surprised what you find there.
I know, that's what I found up to now. Oh, we're on something here. Oh yeah, we're on something. That was a clung and a half. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got the bike. Let's minus some wheels. Oh, and an handbag as well. Look at that. Handbag and bike. Some dirty knickers as well. Let's get this off. I don't think there'll be anything in that. Let's move this bike. I like throwing the claws in here, don't they? More for crap. There we go. Nice little. Let's check this out. Go to our bucket. Probably nothing, but no, nothing in that. We'll get rid of it anyway, won't we? What is that? Part of a car? Motorbike? What do you reckon? So just walking back home now, and I'm going to start cleaning up that jewellery haul. Stolen items. Mega impressed with that, guys. Yeah, what can I say? So we're going to go to the clean up now, straight to it, no messing, let's get on with it. Right, we're back home now. Totally knackered I am after doing the night shift and then going out, but I'm glad I did for what we found. Right, let's crack straight onto it. So this here, scrubbed up, and it says BSB on it. I'm thinking possibly Sky BSB, you know, like a little hinge or something. It's got holes there. What do you reckon? Can't see any other indentations on it apart from that. Fishing lure. George, if you still collect them, treat yourself. We've got a lot of bottle caps here. Carlsberg, Smirnoff, that one, another one. I don't know what this one is. If anyone knows what sort of make a drink that is. I think this is a new one for us. Yeah, not had one of them before. This is a new one as well. Yeah, look at that selection, eh? And all the others are the usual same. Budweiser, etc. Key. Nice, I like collecting keys. Tried scrubbing this chain up a bit, but it just like fell to bits. So there we go. Got all the scrap metal, all the bits and pieces, little offcuts, spokes, nails, you name it. We've treated ourselves to it. Bit more of a chain there. This here. Don't know what it is. Don't know what it's used for. More scrap. What else have we got? This as well, this nut and bolt. And then when I've scrubbed it a bit, it's got the initials HD SGB, if you can actually see it, if it focuses, starts messing around. Yeah. Sweet. If anyone knows what that means, let me know. Some lighter bits, and that was on that, because that's plastic. That was attached to it. You got that with a flint bit. We've got chav canisters. There we go. One of our favourites, them, aren't they? Little tiny screwdriver. Come in that. Ring binder. Well, off a phone. Off a folder. Well, the hell, I'm tired, aren't I? I'm hallucinating about phones. Yeah, don't know what this has come off. Threaded end. Badge in the shape of like a Blue Peter badge. What does it say on the back? Schoolbadges.com. Sweet. Anybody got any ideas what this is? Take it's something to do with fishing. I'm not too sure, but we've never had one before, so we'll have that. Another spring. Nice selection of pennies there. Good old British money. Another penny and some 2p's. I won't go through them all, there's millions of them. And a €1, which was in the bag of jewellery. Nice that. Fork. Euphoria, I think it is. What's going on with this today? Utopia, sorry. I'm in Euphoria. There we are. It's like something off a bike. This garden fork. I did scrub it up a little, see if we had any markings on, but I can't see any, guys. It's the only reason why I brought it home, really. If not, it would have gone scrappy. Anyway, we'll get rid of that somehow, won't we? This is strange. All plastic here, and the only metal bit is this. I ain't got a clue what this could be, let alone what it is. I'll show you. Unscrews. I was thinking, is it going to go TikTok boom? Hollow inside. And this bit, there's no markings on it. There's no writing or anything to give it away. Nothing, is there? No. Strange one, that. If anyone can let me know what that is, much obliged. Yeah, very strange. What's even stranger is this one. You see here, this is heavy. So I'll move my camera up a bit to get it all in. I have not got a clue what this is. We move it around this way so someone can get a view of the inside. That looks like it does, how it's meant to turn. Let's turn it around this way so you can see it. That's the top bit, I presume. This bit here. It's the bottom bit. Got some sort of connector there. It has got something written on it. It says Jap. Is it AI or A1 Jap? And then it says something. And it says Dud. Yeah, strange one that. That's got something here as well. Nothing we can easily identify it with, is there? But if anyone knows what that is, just drop us a comment. Right, let's get on to the jewellery now. Right, here we go. Like I said, there was quite a few bits in it, so we'll do it individually. Right, so we got here. If anybody recognises any of this stuff, just let me know, because I will find the owner for it. Tiffany bracelet. A little children's bangle. All these are earrings, as you can see. You know, something quite distinctive taste of somebody. Some of these earrings as well. The majority of them are hallmarked as well. So they are solid silver. Where's that one going? And we've got a large variety. We've got two of these as well. Smart. And obviously they're not mine, so they will be getting handed in. But I want to find the owner for him myself if I can. What's going on with this focus today? There we go. All these are different pieces. I mean, people will recognise half this stuff. You know, won't they? There's a few keys as well. And there is a couple of distinctive items which I'm not really going to put on because only the person whose stuff it is will know. But yeah, we've got all this stuff. You know, people will know if they're missing items. What's going on with this focus? You know, beautiful these, and they are solid silver. I will put photographs of them, like I say, instead of just like throwing them all out. But I have given them a wipe down. There's some other items. Got a watch. Some bangles. Some more bangles. Some necklaces. I've got a couple of pens. Obviously that's for touchscreen. And that's for touchscreen, but that actually, you know, comes out as well. But this is, and I'll probably get the name of this wrong. Swarovski. Yeah, I think they do watches then. So that's in there. Another watch. I'm not going to show you what's on the opposite side of that, but obviously, you know, that's very sentimental to someone, I think. You know, as well as all these, you know, jewellery pieces. So there is quite a lot, and they are pure silver. And there's that as well. So, but we'll find out whose they are and get it back to him. Same again with this, and all this is just necklaces. There is a Pandora one, Pandora charm necklace in there. I'm not going to go through all that. So guys, excellent morning that we've had, and I'm thankful for the new subscribers, and yeah, Sam G, nice little shout out for you. Treat yourself, Wivenshaw, and we'll get to see you everybody on the next treats. Take care.
Chuki Beats. Chuki Beats. Chuki Beats.